In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. If you want to learn exactly how to manage split screen on this Sony, I will show you how to do it without any tricks. Just devices settings and split screen that's supported by this Sony. Firstly, launch one of your apps you wanna use in split screen view and access it in the background. Now tap on multi-window at the bottom and then select a second app by picking one of those, or swipe all the way to the left, click on All Apps section and pick one from here. Either way, when you're ready, click on Done at the bottom right corner. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. To go back from split screen view, you can either go back to background apps and swipe both, or if you want to leave one of those open, hold this line in the middle of them and drag it all the way up or all the way down, then hit home button. You can also tap on multi-window, pick one of your combination on the left right away, or switch your top app and bottom app. The only requirement to do it is opening one random app in the background first, then hit Done again. Most people don't know though that you can actually launch two apps in the background. It won't work with one, so make sure to open two. Click on the icon of one of them at the top and select split screen. Then tap on the second one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!